Welcome to our motherboard showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between the Asus Prime X670E-PRO and the ASRock B650M-HDV/M.2. Both motherboards utilize the AMD socket AM5 and support DDR5 memory, but they cater to different audiences. The Asus Prime X670E-PRO is designed for enthusiasts and high-performance builds, while the ASRock B650M-HDV/M.2 offers an affordable entry point for budget-conscious builders. Let's explore their features and see how they stack up against each other. The Asus Prime X670E-PRO features the high-end X670E chipset, providing full PCIe 5.0 support for both the GPU and M.2 slots. This ensures maximum bandwidth and future-proofing for high-performance components. In contrast, the ASRock B650M-HDV/M.2 utilizes the B650 chipset, which limits its primary GPU slot to PCIe 4.0. While this may suffice for many users today, it does mean that the ASRock board is less future-proofed compared to its Asus counterpart. When it comes to pricing, the Asus Prime X670E-PRO is positioned as a premium motherboard at $479, targeting enthusiasts and professionals who demand the best performance and features. On the other hand, the ASRock B650M-HDV/M.2 is priced at a much more accessible $159, making it an attractive option for budget builders and casual gamers. This significant price difference reflects their intended markets and the features they offer. The Asus Prime X670E-PRO is a full ATX motherboard, providing ample space for expansion with 4 DIMM slots for memory and multiple PCIe slots for additional components. This makes it ideal for users who want to build a powerful, feature-rich system. In contrast, the ASRock B650M-HDV/M.2 is a micro ATX board, which is more compact and fits well in smaller cases. However, it only offers 2 DIMM slots, which may limit future memory upgrades. This difference in form factor and expansion capabilities is crucial for potential buyers to consider. In conclusion, both the Asus Prime X670E-PRO and the ASRock B650M-HDV/M.2 have their strengths and weaknesses. The Asus board is perfect for those looking for top-tier performance and future-proofing, while the ASRock board offers great value for budget-conscious builders. Depending on your needs and budget, either of these motherboards could be the right choice for your next build. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.